Welcome to Cochrane, Ontario. In this small northern town is where you'll find True North Hardwood Plywood, one of the industry leaders in hardwood plywood products in North America. The plant in Cochrane was established in 1963 and is ran as a commodity sheathing operation that unfortunately was only profitable during the strongest of markets. In 1992, an ultimatum was declared, announcing that if the plant did not become profitable soon, its doors would close. With a very limited amount of funds, the plant purchased a used sander, bought some hardwood veneer, hired some outside experts, and began making hardwood plywood. Thanks to a motivated workforce and access to some of the best trees for this new application, the mill was revamped within a year. Over the next 3 years, more and more of the production volume switched from sheathing to hardwood plywood. As the Cochrane team gained more and more experience, it began expanding its product line. By 1995, the mill did not only prove that it could make a great product, but also that it could compete in the fierce North American market. The plant's parent company would eventually provide a large block of capital, permitting Cochrane to embark on a major new expansion. The 2-year expansion converted the mill from a 1960s sheathing plant to a state-of-the-art hardwood plywood mill. The new mill was designed to be competitive in the marketplace, but also to remain small enough to be flexible to customers' needs and treat every order on an individual basis. Business flourished, but in the early 2000s, market dynamics for hardwood plywood began to change. The most significant change came from competition from import plywood, primarily from the Chinese. By 2007, China had captured over 50% of the North American market, and the domestic producers, including Cochrane, began to feel the pinch. Adding to this pressure was the rising strength of the Canadian dollar that impacted profitability for all export sales to the United States. While Cochrane was able to weather these two negative influences, the impact of the North American housing crisis proved to be the third ingredient for the perfect storm. In 2008, mill production was only 60% of capacity, and 2009 was not shaping up to be any better. Although a state-of-the-art plant and access to a great wood supply are great assets, they pale in comparison to our greatest asset, our people. Entire families work together under the same roof. Many people in Cochrane grew up with their parents working in the plant to support them. A great number of these people now work at the same mill to support their own families. Making quality plywood is a way of life in Cochrane. Our workforce takes great pride in the fact that a small northern Ontario town can produce some of the best veneer core hardwood plywood North America has to offer. A new era in customer satisfaction was born when Norbord Inc. and Kruger Inc. announced this joint venture. Thanks to our innovative high-quality product line and our new service center's dynamic and efficient shipping process, we at True North Hardwood Plywood Inc. are able to meet all of our customers' needs. At the end of the day, customer satisfaction is our top priority.